Mom, check this out.
That's great, son.
I don't know, Jason. I think I could top that. Oh, yeah! Woo! Yeah! Told you, buddy.
Family life is crazy, but I've learned that my lawn doesn't have to be. Getting the perfect look isn't always as easy as it seems. And unfortunately, it's not how I imagined when they said, put in natural grass. I mean, let's be real. Was it really going to be that hard? All the watering, mowing, seeding, weed whacking, weed eater, trimmer, and... God. Ugh. Don't let them fool you. Maintaining a green lawn isn't cute. It takes up a lot of my husband's time and our money. That's why we switched to turf through BuiltRight, the most trusted turf installer. You can buy just the turf and install it yourself, or they can install it for you. It was a dream. One day there was chaos, and the next we had a little oasis in our backyard. Their white glove luxury service blew me away. They even ship free turf samples directly to your door. It's no wonder why they're the most trusted turf installer. I couldn't be happier. I mean, talk about a stress reliever. Click the link below or go to BuiltRight.com and schedule your at-home turf design test.